How to do split screen on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome. Now, in your keyboard, click on Window and Arrow. After you've clicked on Windows and Arrow on your keyboard, select any of the tab you want to split screen with. After you do that, your screen will be splitted in this way. As you can see, on right side I have Google's one account and on other side I have Google's another account. You can also split screen with different other apps as well. You can simply use both of them at the same time. And this is how to do split screen on Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.